Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2011 Ford F-150. Stock number is A7029A. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy-duty tow hooks. A look down the passenger side. You have chrome wheels. Looking at the tread on the tires. Inside, cloth interior. Center console will fold up and become an additional third seat. One more look down the passenger side, and we're going to swing around to the back end. You have a factory trailer hitch on the back. Taking a look at the bed now. There's a Ford bed liner in here, as well as the Access soft cover on top. Those are going to keep the bed very safe. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise, as well as audio controls mounted here. Full stereo, that includes a CD player. Climate control and your four-wheel drive controls are down here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure, whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this F-150 on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more can be found at holidayautomotive.com.